Well guys, it's been a long time since I've uploaded a video. Life has really had us kind of by the neck here lately. I just wanted to give you guys an update, and yes, that is a new use to me truck in the driveway. We traded in the Dodge Charger. The main reason being is it was nearly impossible to get my daughter in and out of the back seat of it, and loved it, but also it was really tough working without a truck too. So I'll give you guys a quick rundown of what I got. 2015 GMC Sierra SLT. Bought it. It's got the max tow package on it, so I can tow the Bronco. It's already leveled. It's got the bigger tires on it. It's got a Rhino liner in it, or just a liner of some sort in it. It's got a Camlocker box on it. That was a really great deal because it's got a lot of this stuff that's already done to it, and I don't have to go out and buy it, because originally I was going to go out and buy a brand new one, and they had this one on the lot with the tow package, which is really what I wanted. It came with power fold, extended mirrors on it. It's four-wheel drive. This is probably like 7th or 8th GM truck I've owned. I had Fords previously for work. I never have purchased a Ford truck, and they've all been great, but got in this truck and really liked it. And not to mention Ford, the local Ford dealer just wouldn't work with me. So on the trade, they were trying to make me take it in the nuts on the trade-in, which I was not going to do. So this is it. Like I said before, really good shape. It's got leather interior on it. We just had the windows tinted. Doors are locked, so I'll make another interior video, but it's got the typical General Motors stuff on it. It's got heated and cooled leather seats on it. There's a wasp. It's 4 full doors. It's a lot easier to get my daughter in and out of. Bought it from Ben Minot right up the road here. They gave me a really good deal on it. So you'll probably see some more videos. The tires are 275 65 20s. It already came with WeatherTech liners in it. Truck's just in really good shape. It's exactly what I wanted. I pretty much told him, I was like, well, you know, I'd much rather make a deal on this pickup truck than buy a new one. And if this one will work with the trade and everything, that's great. But if not, then we'll wait till the first of the year and I'll just get a brand new one. They called me up, worked the entire deal over the phone at Ben Minot, so I didn't have to sit at the dealership for forever. And they just did a really good job for me. So I went and picked up the truck, or drove the truck on a Wednesday, flew out for work. They called me up. They were $500 off of where I wanted to be. They gave me the 500 bucks. And so here it sits. I picked it up Friday, and it's been great so far. I've driven it about 1,000 miles. I don't really drive that much. It usually sits in the airport parking lot. But just what a great deal. I miss the Charger. Yeah, I do. The things I don't miss about it are Dodge service. Dodge service is freaking awful. I did at one point look at trading it back into them to get a Laramie truck, and they just kept trying to make me take it on the chin for the trade. My trade only had 5,000 miles on it, so I was like, you're not going to give me low book on a truck that's got 5,000 miles. So anyways, guys, just want to make this video real quick. You'll see some more videos coming. I'll try to do a little bit better job of uploading. But other than that, I appreciate it. Thank you.